Hi everyone, welcome to WeDraw Studio. Today, we're trying something new in the kitchen, where science meets flavor. Ever thought the periodic table could serve up culinary delights? Trust me, it's going to be fun, fascinating, and absolutely delicious. Elements like sodium, potassium, and calcium are the building blocks of flavor. They might sound like they belong in a chemistry lab, but they're actually the secret to making food taste amazing. Sodium is the star of the show when it comes to enhancing flavor. That pinch of salt wakes up your taste buds and transforms any dish into something incredible. Ever wondered why bananas and potatoes are so satisfying? That's potassium in action. Found naturally in many foods, potassium helps maintain a healthy heart and stable blood pressure, and it also reduces sodium's effects in your diet. And let's not forget calcium. It's not just for strong bones, it plays a role in giving cheese its stretchy, gooey texture and helps milk maintain its creaminess. See? Chemistry isn't just for the lab, it's in every bite we enjoy. Next, let's look at elements that are literally cooking up the action: iron, copper, and zinc. These elements aren't just in your pans, they're in your food, doing amazing things. Iron helps with browning. That golden crust on your steak or bread? That's iron. It's all about oxidation, a chemical reaction that gives us that delicious color and flavor. Copper, on the other hand, is the ultimate heat conductor. It makes sure your sauces heat evenly, preventing hot spots and burns. And zinc? It's a powerhouse, not just for boosting immunity, but also for adding the satisfying crunch of seeds and nuts, elevating your dishes to the next level. Cooking is pure chemistry. It's fun, fascinating, and absolutely delicious. But what's happening behind the scenes? Understanding how elements react can take your cooking to the next level. For example, boiling water isn't just heating up, it's the hydrogen and oxygen atoms in water molecules turning into steam. That's a phase change in action. And think about baking soda. It's sodium bicarbonate, and when it reacts with acid, it releases carbon dioxide. That's what makes your cakes rise. Elements in chemistry isn't just for scientists, it's for anyone who loves food. Now, it's time to bring the periodic table into your kitchen. Explore how elements can transform your cooking. Check out books like On Food and Cooking or The Flavor Matrix, there's so much to discover. Try incorporating these elements into your cooking, and don't forget to share your culinary experiments with us in the comments. Well, that's all for today, and thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please click the like and subscribe button below. We'll see you in the next video.